Hey everybody, welcome to Keto Alicious, and today I'm just sitting in my dining room. I'm getting ready to have a snack or two, and I wanted to share with you what my favorite snacks have been on the keto diet. So I found these little guys from, I'll leave the link below. Anyway, they are beef sticks, and you can pronounce everything that's in them. Even the casings are collagen. They are grass-fed, grass-finished beef sticks. And this company, and I'm gonna be really crystal clear, I love these so much that I became an affiliate for them. So if you guys, I'll put the link below. If you wanna try them, just know that I will make a small commission off of them, because you know what? I don't do that with everything, but I really love these, and these have been my go-to. So I recommend that you try them. This company also has chicken, pork, and beef protein boxes that are home delivery. Newer to the company, and they're going to have bacon and all kinds of things. Anyway, so my point being to these are, it's not just about having products sent to your home. It's not about, just going to the store and getting some beef. I am a true believer that we are what we eat. And so if I know that I am buying cheap meat and I have got a farmer that is stuffing that animal with antibiotics and all kinds of grain and corn, that's what I'm eating. And I think for a lot of people, and I'm just gonna say this out loud, if you're on the keto diet or the low carb diet and you are eating a lot of different meats, you are what you eat. So sometimes it is harder to lose weight if you are eating hormones, and you're eating, we're not supposed to be eating corn, but we're eating corn from the protein that we're eating. So, pick your battles. So anyway, so I have been looking for a company that has grass-fed, grass-finished, which is the most important thing. I can't stress it enough. Grass-finished. And there is a company, Farmer's Box, and I'll leave the link below. If you don't want to click my link, that's okay too. I don't mind either way. But if you'd like to help me out, that's great. I appreciate it very much. So anyway, so I'm gonna open these little guys. And again, these have been, why be shy? So these have been my go-to. These are the beef sticks, and I have been keeping these around since I tried them. And I have to say, oh my gosh, I don't know. For me, it gives me a little bit of peace of mind knowing that these animals have been raised on pasture. They rotate their cows every few days to get the nutrients that the cows need. That's important to me. They're raised humanely. They're not tied up and standing in one spot all their life. They roam, their muscles get exercised, they're grass-fed, grass-finished. The whole concept to that for me is so important. So anyway, these things are, my gosh. They come in a pack of 10. So, they're individually wrapped. And, 10 of them for snacks and stuff will last me a couple weeks. I don't feel like they're very expensive, not for what you're getting. And so I thought I'd have a snack with you guys. I'm gonna tell you my favorites. Now this is one of them. Okay, my other favorite My other go-to is something I have not made for you yet. But one of these days, I will. Listen. They're so good. Can you guys guess what these are? You're not going to believe it. Cheddar cheese. So what I did was I took, you can either do regular cheddar cheese or you can do the pre-sliced like Tillamook or something like that. Cut them all evenly into sizes. I'll show you. Some of them have connected together. Sizes like about that big, and they're real cheese. And you take out a cookie sheet and you lay parchment paper, and then you cut, I don't know, as many as you want. Make sure they're trying not to touch, because this is what happens if they touch. They kind of connect, which you can break. It doesn't matter. Can you hear the crunch? I'm a crunchy, salty lover. Okay, so cut them all about the same size. You're kind of, I have mine in a baggie, so you can kind of see the size of mine. And I dropped some on the floor. Whoops. And then I lay them all on a parchment paper, and then I cover them with a towel, just a kitchen towel. And I let them sit for 24 hours just on the counter. Now, if you have high humidity, you might want to let them sit maybe, I don't know, 48 hours or half of that, a day and a half. And then you put them in the oven. I would have to check. I think I had them at 400 for about, well, let's just put it this way. I'll have it in my recipe soon, but put it on 400 and turn on the light and sit there and watch them. And I put foil on the very bottom of my second layer of my pans because they pop. They pop like popcorn. I call them cheese popcorn. And so when they pop, they sometimes they'll land right back on the baking dish, but then other times I gotta have another bite of this. But other times they may pop and they may go down to the bottom where the burner is. So if you have like foil or something on there, it kind of catches them so that you can take them off. The best part, and it may take up to 15-20 minutes. Don't be shy. Let them pop in there. Let all of them pop. And then when they're all done popping, then take them out, set them out, let them cool. Don't cover them until they're completely cool and crispy. Put them in a little baggie or put them in individual bags. And my goodness, when I have missed popcorn so much, I take these little guys, I take a little bit of them, stick them in a bowl, and I sit at, in the evening time, and this has kind of been my snack, my go-to. You gotta try them. This is one of my favorite go-tos, along with these grass-fed, grass-finished beef sticks. And like I said, the meat is even more amazing. They have chicken, they have pork, they have beef, they have steaks, they have roast. So good, so good. I think they're reasonably priced for what you're getting. I also feel like, again, you are what you eat. And if you're gonna eat protein, why don't you eat some good protein so you know what's in that? You know that there's no corn-fed, grain-fed, crap meal, antibiotics, no GMOs, no steroids, no nothing. These things are free range. And if you decide to look into it, there's a video. You can look at the video, see they talk about their process. They talk about the very popular farm. And I think the farmer is Joe Salatin, very famous, has some bestseller books on how to farm right. So to me, that's very important. I think it should be important to you and your family too. So anyway, I'm not going to keep this long today, guys, but I wanted to share with you the 2 favorite snacks, keto snacks or low carb snacks that I've been eating. You can take these anywhere you go. If you want to make this for a meal, for one of your meals, add a fat to it, or have a salad with it, whatever. These have been my go-to for about the past week. It's been my little secret, and I have decided I would share it with you guys today. So, famous keto snacks that I'm eating. I hope you guys try them. I hope you love them. Leave a comment below if you guys would like more information about anything that I've talked about today. And until next time, guys, thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not, please subscribe to my channel. Get me to 1,000. That's my goal. Get me to 1,000. Subscribe, guys. If you're not, I'd love it. And click the bell above. Make sure you never miss one of my videos. I try to keep them going 3 times a week. Sometimes I'm slower. Sometimes I'm right on top. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. Enjoy my snacks. Thanks for sitting with me and enjoying them. My beef sticks, my cheese popcorn. Bye-bye.